Hi, I'm Kale and this is my dad, Chef Kai.
Hi and welcome to Alaska Fortified Nutri-Recipe videos. Here we will teach you simple, stay-at-home recipes with a fortified twist. And since bawal pang lumabas ang mga kids like you, tutulungan mo si Daddy sa kitchen.
What are you gonna do, Dad?
I know for a fact that you love bananas. So today we are going to make Alaska Fortified Easy Nutri-Banana Cake. Perfect as a snack because it can give you lots of energy and also perfect ibenta online for extra income.
I love banana. I love cake. Banana cake.
Okay, you're so silly. Okay, so let's go. For the ingredients, hit pause and take a screenshot now. Okay, so first, make sure that your hands are clean. So maghugas muna ng kamay to kill.
Coronavirus.
Correct, alright. Now we are ready to make the batter.
Okay, Dad, ano mix?
Sige, in a bowl, let's combine the dry ingredients first. Sa flour, add in the baking soda, the baking powder, salt, an option to add cinnamon powder.
Yung cinnamon smells good, Dad.
Yes. So, keep on mixing lang until it's well incorporated. Then, itatabi muna natin.
Okay?
Next, let's proceed to our wet ingredients. Let's combine water and Alaska Fortified. Then whisk it lang until ma-dissolve yung milk powder. Alaska Fortified gives kids like you both mental and physical development o yung tinatawag na lakas at talas.
That's great, Dad.
Keep on mixing lang. Then add in the oil, white sugar, brown sugar, eggs, and banana extract for that extra banana kick.
What's next, Dad?
Now, let's combine the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. Also now, we add in the mashed bananas. We are using overripe bananas because they are sweeter and they produce a softer cake. Mix it.
That's good.
So once our batter is ready, let's transfer them into molds and steam it. After nating ilagay ang batter sa molds, we are ready to steam it. Little tip when steaming cakes, make sure to put a cloth above the cakes to prevent water from dripping on your cake.
Few moments later. How do you know it's cooked already?
Just poke it with a stick. If it comes out clean, our easy Nutri-Banana Cake is already cooked. Remove it from the steamer and let it cool down for a while.
Few moments later.
Okay, so after natin palamigin yung ating freshly steamed na easy Nutri-Banana Cake, it's time for us to taste it.
Let's go, I'm hungry.
Tara, let's go!
So good.
It's so good, it's so yummy, and yung level of sweetness niya is perfect. And also, I like the hint of that milky goodness coming from Alaska Fortified.
Me too.
So, ano pang inaantay nyo? It's so easy to do, di ba? And pwede magpa-deliver ng Alaska Fortified via Shopee or Lazada. Or if safe naman lumabas, meron yan sa suping tindahan. O paano, Kale? Let's play na with Kuya?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye!